In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a roadmap planner in Confluence. We'll walk through creating a clear, shareable timeline so your team can see what's happening, when, and why it matters. Start by opening your Confluence workspace and signing in. From the home screen or within your chosen space, open the Templates gallery. This is the fastest way to start with a pre-built structure instead of building a page from scratch. In the Templates panel, click into the search bar and type Roadmap. You're looking for the Roadmap Planner option or a similar roadmap-focused template that matches your needs. When you find the template you want, select Use to spin up a new page. Before you dive in, make sure you're creating it in the right space and under the right parent page so it's easy for your team to find later. Next, give your page a clear descriptive title. A helpful convention is something like Product Roadmap, Q1, Q2, or Team Roadmap 2026, which makes the scope and timeframe obvious at a glance. If you already have roadmap details in a compatible format, look for the import option and bring that content in to save time. If you don't have anything to import, you can skip this and start fresh directly in the editor. Now edit your roadmap. Add lanes to represent work streams or teams, then insert timeline bars for each initiative. Drag the edges of bars to set start and end dates, and use colors or labels to highlight priority, status, or ownership. If you need to call out key moments, add milestones for launches, reviews, or dependencies. Adjust the timeline scale, weeks, months, or quarters, so it matches how your team plans. Keep naming consistent and concise so bars read well at a glance. If something moves, simply drag and resize. The visual update helps everyone understand the impact. As you go, add short context notes above or below the roadmap to explain assumptions, risks, or decision points. This reduces back and forth later. When you're satisfied, publish your page if it's brand new, or choose Update if you're revising an existing roadmap. Add a brief change summary so teammates know what's new, and decide whether to notify watchers right away or wait until a larger update is ready. After publishing, your roadmap remains living documentation. Come back to adjust timelines, refine priorities, and keep it aligned with reality. With these steps, you'll create a roadmap that is easy to understand, simple to maintain, and ready to share with your team.